These people. They act like killing is a joke. Back to do another video. Guys, I haven't said that for a long time. Happy New Year, guys. You're going to be getting this in 2022. I have a couple of hash browns. Got a little butter. Let's switch bowls. Uh-oh. Start off with bloopers, huh? Let's peel these eggs and get that out the way. '21 was a lot, but we're just gonna pray and receive all the blessings that's gonna come, because we've been through enough already. I got a little bit of seafood, guys. Going through a seafood boil. I've seen so many this week. I'm craving. And I didn't feel like doing the traditional black-eyed peas and collard greens, and I didn't feel like doing that stuff this year. My son did get some wine and some champagne, and I'll probably have a drink. Bring my New Year in the tub. They even shut the services down here in New York. The churches and stuff, they closed down the watch night services for Old Year's to New Year's, or Old Year's night, or whatever they're calling that. But yeah, I'm kind of glad they shut it down. I was wondering, because one church I used to attend, the Brooklyn Tabernacle, they had shut down their services already, and I was wondering when the church that I attend, I don't know, I got a whim early in the week when I prayed about going in. I don't know if I should take this off the tray. I prayed about going, and I said, you know what, I decided since early Monday or Tuesday that I was not going to go in for the service today. Let me take a couple of these hash browns. Let's put them over there. You guys can see this, because I'm going to try not to mess with the camera. I just want to eat. I just want to eat. I sound like I'm crazy. I just want to eat. I got a little bit of some crabs, a little seafood boil. I have it up so I can do 2 videos, and it is what it is. Let's just pour this over here. Right into that bowl. Enough. It's buttery, yummy. You see that? Let's put these eggs over here. Let's not tarry too long. I don't know who says that on their channel, but somebody that I watch. Let's not tarry too long. Let's say grace. Put a little bit of garlic on these eggs. Ooh, that little garlic that's down there is everything. Oh my goodness. Yes. It should always really taste like it. And so, let's do it down there. I got a bowl down there for the shells. And it's nice to sit in front of the camera. I haven't done that for quite some time. Just been taking it easy, sitting down doing videos. I used to do that sometimes, 3 videos in a day, but taking a little easy instead of taking a complete break, which I see lots of channels have done. I miss you guys. Until you return, look at these hash browns falling all over the place. Bloopers just everywhere. So let's say grace and eat this. I got a hash brown over there. Things when they fall on the floor, they just mess my whole
Didn't say the grace, but Heavenly Father, thank you for this food.
Let me
Amen.
try and finish this video so I can finish watching my TV program and relax. I don't think I'm that close. This is so good. Things taste so good. Almost choked on the crab bone. You see me? It's hard to concentrate on a conversation. Crabs be this good. I actually would love to be watching the TV, but man, I'm eating this too messed up. I'm not getting all the meat out the shell like I'm supposed to. You think 50 and 60 years old is too old to put braces on your teeth? That's the question. Not like a debate. Like, people gonna do whatever they want to do anyway, but it was just a question. Because the lady at my job, she was in her 60s and she had braces on her teeth and she was in so much pain. I had a tooth cut here that looked like it's a little bit needing to be filed down, and I don't like the dentist, but maybe I can get a cap put on it or something. Anything that don't require root canal and all of that crap. They file your teeth down, they put stuff over it, and then the teeth get bad, and they'll take it out. If they can just cover that one with a cap or something. I don't know. Dentists just don't be worth crap these days. But they just want money. Everything is about money. Yeah, I don't want want to believe like some people believe, oh, the pastor shouldn't have a car or whatever, but I think the churches do ask for money all the time, like for everything. A lot of things that used to be free in the church. They used to have cake sales at the church and be making a whole lot of money and then still have to ask for a whole lot of more money. But I remember when I used to go to church when I lived in Savannah, Georgia. As a little girl, we used to have dinner when services was over. Time you didn't reach home till evening. You would have been in church from 7, 8 a.m. in the morning till late evening. You would have been to church all day. You would have been there. You want some? I think it's recording this dripping too. Everything was free. Pies, cakes, dessert, banana pudding. And sometimes I don't mind, you know, patronizing things and buying things, and like you want to see growth with those things. Like you want to see the church building and making better seats and better lighting and planning some trips for the church members that donate, and you know, you're gonna have some members that's just not gonna believe in that giving every minute, and you're gonna have some givers like myself that think everything needs a couple of dollars sometimes, you know, even the church, everything. Give a homeless man $1, I don't care. Just, he might get a check, it's okay. No, living on the street ain't easy. I always wondered why the church don't have some place where the homeless can sleep, and I understand vandalism and not trusting the homeless, but some homeless people is very kind. I had one in my building that used to help me out, and they got rid of him. Help you with your bags to the door and everything. Such a kind fellow. I'm blowing this crap out, y'all. Shout out to you guys for another year hanging in there, chilling and hanging with your girl. With my videos. I could tell you that some people just gonna be faithful no matter what you're doing in life. And some people just not. And thank you for all of you that always come back and watch my videos. For you that really do enjoy. For you that don't enjoy and still watch anyway. Oh my goodness, come on now. Those hash browns is trying to get out of the way. Now I used to always say on my other videos when I used to do more crab video. Some people are allergic to seafood. Man. Like shrimps, and my friend, she's allergic to, I think, shrimps. seafood is good. Sometimes it's the peeling and that's why you want to have a de-shelled seafood boil. You don't gotta shell nothing. You don't gotta look for veins and stuff. Yeah, I gotta look for everything. Some people just pop that thing right in their mouth. That thing good. And that's from Letitia and Brian, or whatever their name is. They got 3 little girls. They're breaking up. I've seen so many people break up. I just don't want to see no more couples break up. I saw so many break up for 2021. And for me, I had a breakup of friendships, and I had plenty of breakups myself. Mostly breakup of friendships, people I thought was friends, and turned out after a long time of friendship, they really weren't. Excuse my greasy mouth. That thing good. Ryan always says that thing good. I ain't got no muscle yet. Must have one. They gave me a bib and everything. I always forget it. Potatoes filling. I think so. sometimes I want to believe when people say that that's just the vein. But in my head, I still keep thinking it's the duty sack. And so that's why I always gotta clean it out. I've had shrimps I see don't have it in there, so I guess that shrimp got killed before it did any doodling. I don't know. Maybe that shrimp. I don't know. So I have had some that didn't have it in there. Oh, maybe the one with the heads on have it. Could eat 3 or 4 potatoes. That's good. I can actually eat another egg, but I'm not going to. So I ate 2. Let's see, some people eat 6. Maybe I'll do an egg challenge and revise to 6. Nah, they did 24. I was like, oh no, I can't. 24 eggs. I don't know, Diva would start them challenges like that. So many eggs. I don't know if she could put down one of them challenges right now, because like she ain't eating as much as she used to. Because we all start to put on some weight from that eating. Take a little break. And get in the gym or gym at home. Had enough credit from ordering from Uber. This meal I only paid like $20-something for it because it was $50-something. Like I said, it's a lot for the $50, but I made 2 seafood boils out of it. That's a lot. 3 of those snow clusters. If they bigger, you get 2. And when they smaller, they give you 3. And I like it because when you order over $40, you get something free in that restaurant. It could be chicken. Sometimes it mostly be like the calamari. I'm making a mess, but it's worth it. It's so delicious. There you go. Make a little mess for y'all too. Trippy trip. So good. Let's just say one more shrimp. So juicy. The shell is actually coming off it easier than I thought they would. Oh, that one stuck me. Stop talking about me. Using that left hand, boy. They said don't mess with the left-handers though. They hit hard. And I've been told I hit pretty hard. And hey you guys. Happy New Year guys to all of you. I hope you guys have achieved everything you wanted to do for 2021. And it's now time to move on. I once heard somebody say they like snow crabs better than king crabs. Sometimes when things get bigger, they lose flavor. Can't blow that out. Well, I ain't really just never got no real good king crab. The mic is down there on the floor. I took it off when the camera died and I just put in a new battery. So yeah guys, I'm done. I can't eat no more. I just got potatoes, 1 egg, and let me just eat one more. Okay. Some people don't like messing with it because it's too messy. And it make you forgetful. You can't remember what you were saying. Try not to waste too much of this meat though. Okay, let's pull this out. There you go. That's the last piece for you. Okay. Oh, excuse me. That's all, folks. I gotta touch something with these hands. What's in this back here? It's a good thing y'all can't see it all. One day I may show you. I don't know what to do. I have to get some of it off, y'all. Oh my goodness. Wipe everything down. Spray Clorox, bleach, clean up, and yeah. I didn't do a lot this time. All you do is wiping and cleaning. The whole time I just let the mess last. And that's it. One last wipe. Sometimes I'll be wiping and cleaning during the video. Not this time. Shout out to you if you're new to my channel. I appreciate you. I've never got really graphic or knew how to do the editing and put some flashing names and stuff. I'm gonna get better at this little by little. So yeah guys, I didn't eat much of these. They ain't hard. They're pretty good. It's a hash brown. A hush puppy, something like that. I say hash brown the whole video. No, hash brown, hush puppy. Excuse me for all the times I said it wrong. So I get this snow crab and crabs in front of me. I can't remember nothing. I have no hand towels. That's the last roll. I gotta order something for the new year. So happy 2022, guys. Glad you stayed with me. And let's move on to bigger and better things. In my 5-year plan, I'm gonna be moving out of this place and into a bigger, beautiful, spacier, Beautiful environment. May not be in New York, but I'm not gonna give away the secret. Someplace near the south. That's all I'll say. Like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys on my next video. I don't know how long this video is, but my seafood videos is always a little longer. Well, that might, but I still got to clean the place a little more. Oh, when I get in the bed, after you can't go to bed, it's smelling like crabs. See you later.